I just got to work. I'm in the parking lot. You'll see all these vehicles passing me. I just gotta do my makeup super stinking quick because I just do not feel put together if I just don't do a little something. So I turned on the flash on my story here. So I don't know if I like that because I can't really see as good. But I thought, like, it's pretty dark in my car because it's underground parking. Oh man. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. It is Friday. Don't forget to go enter my giveaway for a free teeth whitening. It's literally free, okay? All you do is enter here. It's a new clinic they just opened up. Well, the clinic is new to Edmonton. It's not new in general. But there's also one in Calgary and there's also one in Saskatoon. So 2 locations in Alberta and 1 in Saskatchewan. So if you are in any of these places or, willing and able to travel, like Central Alberta or anywhere in Alberta, really, go check out my giveaway because I'm excited. And obviously anywhere near Saskatoon or in Saskatchewan, I'm sure you can make it. Go check it out because I want to make sure you have a chance to win this because freaking amazing, okay? So, my teeth feel great since getting it done. I'm so excited. They went up a few shades. I'm going to talk about that this weekend. And I go for another teeth whitening actually, which is great. Just like a touch up. And I'm going to see how. So that is what I am doing today. Also, I am also posting, I'm posting another giveaway today. It's different though, but I'm excited to be a part of that. And I am going on 2 years as a Saint artist on, what day is it? Tuesday next week. I am going to be it's celebrating my 2-year anniversary as a Saint artist, which it's crazy. Time has flown like that. So I'm excited to be a part of all these giveaways. And by all these giveaways, I mean 2. But they're both amazing with so many amazing companies. So make sure you do check them out. This one I'm posting today is local to YEG, so to Edmonton. So definitely check that out if you are local. And if you are anywhere in Alberta or Saskatchewan, definitely check out my teeth whitening one. Alright, so I'm on the last of my makeup. I've got my 3D foundation on. So I did contour, brightener, and then my main shade in that order. And now I'm just going into my lip and cheek. So I put it on both my lips and my cheeks. And, it's kind of hard to see. There we go. So I'm just like plopping that on, nothing crazy. Cream will just move with your skin. So if you want to color match, you can fill out the link in my bio. You can send me a message. You can respond to my story here. So many ways. And we have preset palettes. If you don't want to send me a makeup-free selfie, but if you want a customized palette, you can totally send me that makeup-free selfie and I will get that going for you. Now I'm just going to put on a little illuminator, kind of right here on the Cupid's bow, the nose. Everything is customizable. Everything I'm doing